Hi, this is Quick Start. Today, I will be telling you what most Python programmers do to inform you before you start learning. There is difference between coding and programming. Leslie Lamport, a computer scientist who won the AM Turing Award in 2013 for his work on distributed system, have this to say. He said, and I quote, said if coding is to programming as typing is to writing. So definitely you can consider coding as typing and programming as writing. You will agree with me that the best thing for a writer is to think about what to write, is to have an idea of how to present the concept. Until then, writing and typing become easy. But people are always focused on writing programs, on writing code, and they neglect the problem and the posture of mindset they ought to have. If you're going to be a very good programmer, you will need to have a right mindset, which is a problem solving mindset. Programs are developed, are built based on idea. So if you have a wrong mindset while starting this programming, it will be wrong for you. You will not be learning very fast. Have a problem solving mindset. And another thing that is important for every programmer is the discipline. You need to discipline yourself. Separate hours in the day, depending on how fast you want to learn the coding or the programming. You need to separate specific hours of the days, and you learn by becoming consistent. That is the third thing, consistency. I would like to use one of the YouTube channel of I sampled this out of the very many YouTube channels that are available, and look at this. You see, when Derek Banas introduced Python, there were over 404k views. Having watch the videos on the Python, and there is something that is common. You see, the numbers keep dropping. 112k views, 71k, 53k, 50k, 46k, 42k, and down through to 36. When a new topic, a new subject was introduced on this same Python object oriented, we have 70k views. Then it drops down up to 37k view to 17k view. And when the TK Inter was also introduced, 141k views, for 3k views to state, and Kiwi, when it was introduced, it was 277. So there is this thing that is very peculiar and common to learners of programmers or programming. They are always very eager to learn at first, but because they lack consistency, the numbers keep dropping, and that is why we have only few programmers that are really good at what they are doing. And the last thing I would like to note is that you need to practice by thinking outside the box. If you learn something in a programming, say how to add and subtract, think outside the box. How can I apply this in a real life scenario? How can I apply this to solve a problem? And until then, you will not be a good programmer. But I would like, if you can ensure that you have a problem solving mindset, you have discipline, you're consistent, and you practice by thinking outside the box, you will turn out to be a very good programmer. This is Quick Start. Stay tuned and subscribe to get more of this video. Thank you.